Welcome to the Throttle channel that brings you an alluring motor vehicle experience. Today we discuss why the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is secretly the safest SUV. For years, if you wanted a safe, reliable family SUV, the answer was simple: get a Honda CR-V or a Toyota RAV4. But what if I told you that being the most popular doesn't automatically mean being the safest anymore? The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, the iihs, has been making its crash tests a lot tougher, and the results are shaking up the entire industry. There's one SUV that's been quietly crushing these brutal new evaluations, and it's probably not the one you were expecting. The data suggests the 2026 Mazda CX-5 is making a serious case for being one of the safest SUVs you can buy, and I'm going to show you exactly why. The problem: the tests just got tougher. So, what's all the fuss about? Well, for a long time, carmakers got really good at acing the existing safety tests. But the iihs noticed a scary trend: front seat passengers were getting safer and safer, but people in the back seat weren't. To fix this, they updated their moderate front overlap crash test. This wasn't some tiny adjustment. They added a new dummy in the back seat, one that mimics a 12-year-old child or a small woman, to see what really happens to rear passengers in a crash. How the big names are stumbling. And here's where it gets interesting. This tougher test has started to find some cracks in the armor of the industry's biggest names. Now, let's be clear, these are still fundamentally safe vehicles. For instance, in recent testing, the Honda CR-V earned an acceptable rating, with testers noting some concern about the rear seatbelt's position on the dummy, which could increase the risk of abdominal injuries. Meanwhile, the Toyota RAV4, another giant in the category, actually received a poor rating on this same test. The iihs found high injury risks for the rear passenger. The solution: Mazda's quiet leadership. While some brands are scrambling to adapt, Mazda seems to have seen this coming. Year after year, Mazda consistently racks up more top safety pick plus awards from the iihs than most other brands. Their whole lineup is built with a focus on safety, and the CX-5 is a perfect example of that. The current generation CX-5 has already earned a top safety pick award by getting a good rating across the board, including the original moderate overlap test. This isn't a fluke, it's a pattern. By acing the tests that matter and focusing on real-world passenger protection, Mazda is showing that they're not just building cars to pass a test, they're building them to protect families. The why: smarter engineering and standard tech. So, how is Mazda pulling this off? It boils down to a couple of key things: smart engineering and making their best safety tech standard. First, the engineering. Mazda's performance in these newer, tougher tests suggests a serious focus on what's happening in the back seat. Their vehicle structures are designed to manage crash energy effectively, and they've paid attention to the restraint systems that are now under heavy scrutiny. This dedication to holistic safety is what sets them apart. Second, and this is huge for you as a buyer, is what Mazda gives you right out of the box. The CX-5 comes loaded with a suite of iActive safety features. We're talking blind spot monitoring, radar cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert, all standard. On many competitors, getting that level of advanced driver assistance means shelling out for an expensive options package. Mazda just gives it to you. Mazda's success isn't about some flashy, ground-up redesign. It's about targeted, meaningful improvements that address the real-world safety challenges we face today. By excelling in the toughest new tests and making crucial safety tech standard, the CX-5 makes a powerful argument the smartest and safest choice. Subscribe.